David Cusick. I've been here for just a little over a year and a half. My electric bills have been through the roof for a long time, even before we bought this house. And so I always kind of knew when I moved in a new place I was going to look into getting solar if I didn't already have solar. I looked at a couple of different companies, and I've had some price quotes. And the pricing to me when I was going to other companies was, one, it was a bit confusing. It was really hard for me to get some straight answers in terms of how much I'd be paying. Really, I was kind of starting to look again when a friend of mine recommended SolarTech. And so that's when I made the call. When they came out, the pricing I got was very clear. There were no open-ended questions. Everything was answered in writing, and I felt like I was getting the right price. So, installation was done on time. In general, there's just been a lot of people responding to us with any questions or letting us know what's going on, and that was really good. Years ago, when we had brownouts, we had some power outages, and they're not pleasant. You don't want to be home when you have a power outage. Having that battery, having that backup, really makes you feel comfortable that if anything goes wrong, you're going to still have power. So, in the beginning, I had some people telling me, it wasn't as good as you would think it was, and when I finally looked into it, it really does make sense.